In the school courtyard, Mirha's youthful energy fills the air as she passionately prepares to sing. With unwavering focus, Mirha clutches the flag, her eyes gleaming with patriotic fire. Surrounded by her peers, she remains absorbed, her voice poised to ignite the courtyard with national pride. Her voice soars, a testament to her love for the nation, echoing through the school grounds. In the green room, Mirha's anxiety escalates as she nervously paces, her legs betraying her unease. The school function's lively sounds fade into a muffled drone, heightening Mirha's internal turmoil. She wrings her hands, her knuckles stark white against her trembling fingers. Her inner fears surface as she whispers, "What if I forget the lyrics?" Mohammed Hussein strides into the green room, his eyes searching for Mirha. He finds her, and a warm smile spreads across his face as he approaches. Mohammed Hussein embraces Mirha, holding her close with genuine affection. Looking into her eyes, Mohammed Hussein's admiration shines. "Mirha, you're my hero." His words are a burst of confidence. "You'll sing the best." Mirha beams, reassured by her brother's unwavering support.
If you like this video, then like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon button for more interesting videos.